Ever wondered why some outfits make you glow while others don't? It all comes down to color. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of color and how it can be your secret weapon for a more youthful look. I'll guide you through the best colors to incorporate into your wardrobe that can enhance your natural beauty and make you appear younger, fresher, and more vibrant. And make sure you stick around until the end, where I'll reveal the best-kept secret for using color to turn back the clock on your style. Let's start by discussing the incredible power of color. You see, color is more than just a visual experience. It's a form of expression that can impact how others perceive us and how we feel about ourselves. Ever noticed how wearing a vibrant red dress can boost your confidence? Or how a calming blue blouse can soothe your nerves? Colors have the power to evoke emotions, and they can also play a crucial role in making us look younger. Now, before we dive into the specific colors that can help us look more youthful, it's essential to understand a little bit about color theory and skin undertones. Don't worry, I won't get too technical here. In simple terms, color theory is about how colors interact with each other, and our skin undertones can determine which colors suit us best. So, what's an undertone? Think of it like this. It's the color beneath your skin's surface that affects your overall tone. There are three main types of undertones: cool, warm, and neutral. Cool undertones have hints of blue or pink. Warm undertones lean towards yellow or golden, and neutral undertones are a mix of both. Understanding your undertone helps you pick colors that naturally enhance your beauty and give you that youthful glow. Let's talk about how to identify your undertone using the jewelry test. This is a fun and easy way to see which metals suit you best. Try on some silver and gold jewelry. If silver looks better on you, you likely have cool undertones. If gold flatters you more, you're probably warm-toned. If both look equally good, you might be neutral, which means you can rock a wider range of colors. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into specific colors that can make you look younger, starting with cool undertones. If you have cool undertones, the following colors will enhance your natural beauty and make you appear fresher and more vibrant. First up is Icy Blue. This light, crisp blue can brighten your complexion and add a touch of elegance to your look. An icy blue blouse paired with white pants can create a sophisticated yet youthful look. Add some silver jewelry to enhance the cool tones and complete the outfit with a pair of classic ballet flats for a chic finish. Next, let's talk about soft pink. This gentle hue is perfect for adding a youthful glow to your appearance. It's a versatile color that works well for both casual and formal occasions. You can never go wrong with a soft pink dress or top. One of my favorite looks is a soft pink sweater with a gray pencil skirt. This combination is elegant and perfect for work or a lunch date. You can accessorize with a pearl necklace and a light pink lip for a polished finish. Also, for cool undertones, lavender is a must-have in your wardrobe. This lovely shade of purple is both calming and refreshing, making it ideal for enhancing your youthful glow. Lavender is particularly stunning in spring and summer outfits. Try a lavender sundress for a fresh, youthful look. Pair it with white sandals and a wide-brimmed hat for a perfect summer outfit. Don't forget to add a silver bracelet or earrings to tie the look together. Now, let's move on to colors that are perfect for warm undertones. These hues will complement your natural warmth and make you look radiant and youthful. First on the list is coral. This vibrant mix of pink and orange is incredibly flattering for warm undertones and adds a lively, youthful vibe to any outfit. A coral sundress paired with tan sandals and a straw hat can be a perfect outfit for a summer day out. Add some gold jewelry to enhance the warmth of the coral and complete the look. Next, let's talk about caramel. This rich, warm shade is perfect for adding depth and sophistication to your look. Caramel works well for both casual and formal outfits and is a versatile color for your fall wardrobe. A caramel sweater with dark jeans or white trousers can be one of your go-to outfits. This combination is perfect for a relaxed yet stylish look. You can accessorize with a brown leather belt for a cohesive, polished outfit. Peach is another fantastic choice. This soft and warm color can add a youthful glow to your complexion, making it perfect for both casual and dressy occasions. Peach is especially flattering in the spring and summer months. Try pairing a peach blouse with white pants for a fresh, vibrant look. Add some gold accessories and nude sandals to complete the outfit. This combination is perfect for a brunch date or a casual day out. Now, let's talk about colors for neutral undertones. If you have a neutral undertone, you're in luck. You can wear a wide range of colors that suit both cool and warm tones. First up, we have teal. This beautiful blend of blue and green is perfect for adding a pop of color to your wardrobe while still maintaining an elegant, sophisticated look. A teal blouse with black trousers can create a striking yet sophisticated look. Pair it with silver accessories to bring out the cool tones in the teal and complete the outfit with some classic black pumps. Next, let's talk about OffWhite. This subtle and classic shade is incredibly versatile and perfect for any season. OffWhite adds a touch of elegance and freshness to any outfit and can be easily paired with other colors for a polished look. Try an off-white blouse with denim jeans for a clean, sophisticated look. Add some delicate jewelry, like pearl earrings, and finish the look with nude ballet flats for a chic yet effortless outfit. For neutral undertones, navy blue is another excellent choice. Navy blue is a classic color that exudes sophistication and timelessness. It is versatile and works well for both formal and casual settings. Navy blue adds a sense of depth and richness to any outfit, making it a staple for neutral undertones. A navy blue blazer is a must-have in any wardrobe. Pair it with a white blouse and tailored trousers for a polished office look, or wear it over a simple dress for a more laid-back vibe. Complete the outfit with some gold accessories to add a touch of warmth and contrast to the navy. Now that we've explored these stunning colors for each undertone, it's time for the best-kept secret that can help you look even more youthful. Metallic colors can add a modern edge and youthful glow, enhancing your overall look without overpowering it. Metallics, when used correctly, can serve as excellent accents in your outfit. Think of metallic accessories like gold or silver earrings, necklaces, or bracelets. They add a touch of shine and elegance that can instantly elevate your style. You can also incorporate metallics through footwear. A pair of metallic shoes or sandals can give a modern twist to your outfit. They're a great way to add some sparkle and sophistication without going overboard. And let's not forget about metallic accents in clothing. Choose items with subtle metallic accents, like a silver threaded sweater or a gold belted dress, to add sophistication and sparkle to your ensemble. It's a great way to make a statement while keeping things classy. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you have any favorite color combinations that always make you shine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know what works for you. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one on the summer color combinations for women over 50. It's packed with tips on how to mix and match colors for a fresh and stylish summer wardrobe.